Good evening, friends. I'm back with some more news for today. Uh, there was a Russian military crash happened yesterday, and it resulted in the death of 3 crew members and 1 technician. It was a Mi-8 military helicopter. More investigation is going on in this, and as we know more about this, we will follow on this news. In an interesting development, the defense research organization in USA, DARPA, they have claimed that they are developing some earthworm based robots which can dig tunnels deep underground. So it is in the initial stage, but they are hopeful that they will be able to come up with some prototype very soon. In another scientific development, Indian Institute of Technology IIT Madras, US Army Research Laboratory and University of North Texas, they jointly developed a special magnesium alloy which is stronger like steel but which is lighter and malleable and flexible like magnesium. So they are claiming that it will be very much useful in aviation and automobile industry. So that is one interesting development. In the Mediterranean Sea, USA has claimed that one of its reconnaissance aircraft P-8A Poseidon was very dangerously intercepted by the Russian Su-35 fighter jets. So USA has issued a strong protest against it. There is detailed defense cooperation dialogue going on between India and Australia. Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Australian Defence Minister Linda Reynolds had a long discussion yesterday, and there are talks that India and Australia might decide on swapping of some islands with naval berth rights, which will help them both in Indian Ocean region and South Pacific region. It is also said that Australian Prime Minister and Indian Premier Mr. Narendra Modi, they will have a virtual meet on 4th of June. In another news, one of the largest solar power developers in India, Acme Solar, they have have a portfolio of 5.5 gigawatt of solar power and a operating capacity of 2.9 gigawatt, and various development of 2.6 gigawatt is going on. So Petronas, a Malaysian petroleum company, they have expressed interest in buying stakes in the Acme Solar Company of India. Weather news, in Delhi, the temperature is, heat wave is going on in all across North India, and the temperature is sizzling around 50 degrees Celsius. So that is one of the weather news from India. In other two news, USA and Singapore navies will be conducting joint naval exercise in South China Sea. The exact dates are not known, but we will follow through this news. After the news of yesterday's economic forecast about Indian economy going into recession in the FY21, there are reports coming in that Indian economy will rebound to a positive in FY22, that is around 5% of the GDP. So Indian banks, on the other hand, have claimed that they will need around $20 to $50 billion capital over the next 2-3 years to tackle the NPAs. So these are all the news we have for today. We will come up with more news tomorrow. Thank you.